Hey guys, we're out here in Brentwood, Tennessee this time. We've got a project going on in here inside with the Jorgensens. I'm here with Dewan, the local owner of the franchise, and we're getting ready to go see this project they're gonna have us do. Let's go check it out.
Hello, welcome to our house. My name is Brian Jorgensen, and this is my daughter, Riley.
Hi.
We've been in this house for 16 years. We built it from the ground up, and this is kind of our forever family home. My son, Connor, is in college at Western Kentucky as a freshman, and then Riley.
I am a senior in high school currently, and this fall I will be attending Florida State University.
Riley's mom and my wife, Patricia, tragically passed away in a car accident in 2018. So being a single parent and having two children in the house, you know, it's time for an upgrade, time for to get into the 21st century. And that's why we called N-Hance. And they're gonna come out and make our hearth room beautiful. We're very excited.
Well, great, Brian. We're here in your space. What did you have in mind in here? We can change the tone slightly, maybe go a deeper, darker espresso color, but keeping the wood grain. Or we can do an opaque finish where we completely change the color and go anywhere from white all the way to dark charcoals. What did you have in mind?
Yeah, I think the gray family. Everybody's doing gray, I guess, the houses I go to or I look at online.
Nice. Well, actually, we've got all sorts of different color swatches. Really, we can do any color you want. There are a few colors that you see here that are some of our most popular, but sky's the limit. We can do whatever you like.
Perfect. I will definitely need some help, so I appreciate that.
We'll cut off that side of the house so we don't have any overspray into your house. And then the next will be is we'll mask all your cabinets, the walls, so we protect it against overspray. The doors we actually take to the shop, and then there we can spray it under a controlled environment. We'll do a couple of coats of primer that we spray on that bonds with the cabinet to give you that factory finish. And then we'll also do 2 coats of the final product.
Perfect.
Now, Brian, we picked the dance gray, so we'll get started.
Yeah,
Thank you for the opportunity.
Absolutely, look forward to the process.
We'll get after this.
Great, thank you so much.
So we're back here at Dewan's shop. We've got all the doors and the drawer fronts from the Jorgensens hearth room job. We've brought them all back here to get them processed and ready to go for the next step. We're gonna take them through our processes here to get those ready to be installed again. We clean and prep those thoroughly. We add a nice primer coat to it, a couple of coats of our color, and then we finish it all off with our proprietary Lightspeed product, which is a super durable top coat, best in the industry. So we'll get them all finished off with that so they're nice and durable for the Jorgensens for years to come.
Yeah, then after that, we're ready to take them back to the house and get them installed.
All right, guys, we're all done. Are you ready for the big reveal?
Yes.
You ready to see the
Yeah.
brand new hearth
so
room?
ready.
Super excited.
Awesome. Well, let's go check it out.
All right.
All right, let's go ahead. Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. How
It looks
different.
so good.
It looks
What do you think?
amazing. What a difference a color can make.
It's so it's
The
so
right
bright
color, yeah.
too.
Yeah, it sure
it's
is.
so bright.
happy client, right?
Yeah, we took these cabinets from a brown, dated look to this new beautiful gray, and customers super happy, so we're really excited.
It's always great when you can have that transformation happen and the customer's eyes light up and it's exactly what they had in mind. You know, if you have a project like this that you're doing at home and have something you'd like us to come totally change the look of, be happy to do it. Visit us at N-Hance.com and we can come out and give you a bid.